In this video, we are going to learn how to log in chat.deepseek.com. First, you have to open your browser on your device. Here, I am using Google Chrome. Now, click on this search bar and type in chat.deepseek.com. After that, you will be directed to this page where you have to type in your email address and your password to log into your account. So simply type in your email address or your phone number in this field. Now type in your password here. After that, make sure to click on this box to confirm that you have read, consent and agreed to terms and use of DeepSeek account. After that, simply click on this login option, and following this simple and easy step, you have successfully logged into your account in DeepSeek. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.